I heard you visited Spain in summer. Did you like there?
Sure, it was great, but there were some historical monuments which are in danger.
But why? Is that because of the pollution and bad ecological situation in that region?
No, it isn't. Spanish people say that it's mostly because of the aging and erosion.
Oh, I see. I hope these monuments will be preserved by the government.
It is a well-known fact that people travel around the world to see some historical sites. Another well-known fact is quite sad. If we look at the list of the world's most famous monuments, we will understand that many of them are in danger. What are the reasons for this sad situation? Some scientists say that it is connected with pollution. Pollution can be caused by smog from the factories and industrial waste. The burning of petrol and fossil fuels are other sources of pollution. Other people believe that it is not pollution that puts the world-famous historical monuments in danger. A lot of people believe that there are natural reasons for the bad conditions of the historical monuments. These reasons are erosion and aging. So why these symbols of the greatness of humanity are in danger? What is your opinion on the topic? Try to guess the meanings of these words from the text. 1. Smog. Harmful fog. 2. Acid rain. Rain that contains chemicals. 3. Pollution. Damage caused to environment. 4. Erosion. Destruction of soil.